Welcome to the Lucky the Review, the king of the reviewer channel. Grant welcoming to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fill out the form of the GMAIN 2021. What are the eligibility criteria? What are the document required? And how to fill out the application form step-by-step guidance. So first you can visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. You can move on to this page, and once you have see over here on the screen, apply for the GMAIN 2021. So click on this button. You can move on to this page. Only the registration candidates sign in. So first you can select the application form, then you can select the application number, password, PIN and security PIN. Once the person is login, suppose you can register your ID onto the portal, then you can fill out all the details and you can click on the sign in button. But you are a new, then please click on the new registration over here. After click on the new registration, you can see over here instruction and produce for the online submission of the application form. As you can see on the screen, BTech and BE, the gender wise price of the India and outside of the Indias are mentioned over here. Some of the peoples are planning to BTech in the architects, females and males, all the prices are mentioned over here. So you can read out all the information mentioned over here. Then you can click on the I have downloaded the information bullet line, read and understand all the information. You can click on this button and you can click here to proceed further. So after click on this button, you can move on to the registration process. This GMAIN 2021 papers is divided, or you can say the form is divided into the four major parts. First one is the registration process, second one is the application form, third one is the document upload, and fourth one is the fee payment. So I am going to show you how to register on the G 2021 portal. First, as you can see on the column candidate name, you can put your name. Candidate must exactly be the same as the registration, class, 12th and equivalent quantified examination. It means that whatever the name you can choose, depending on the mark sheet class 12th, you can choose your name according to your class test mark sheet. On the father mother name, you can put the correct date of birth. You can select your gender and identity types, means PAN card, school ID card, passport. Suppose I have taken the voter ID card, then you can fill out the voter ID card numbers. As you can see on the screen, according to your ID card, it's already mentioned on your other cards, and depending on the document whatever you have chosen. After, you can move on to the present address. In the present address, first you have to put the address, then localite. It is the optional. If you want to put, then it's better. Then you can select the city, country. Suppose I have select the country India. According to your country, it's already selected the state. Suppose I have chosen the state Gujarat. So in the Gujarat, according to your Gujarat, it's already taken the district. Suppose I have select the district like Rajkot. You can choose your PIN code number, alternative contact numbers, email ID. So as you can see on the screen, fill out the carefully, as all the communication would be sent in this email ID. Once you have login, after you can fill out your fee payments. All the information are moving towards this email IDs. You can correct your mobile number, put over here. Suppose your present and the permanent address both are the same, then you can click on the same as the present address. Then you can choose your password. This is the very important things. Some of the peoples are misunderstand about the how to fill out the password. It's clearly mentioned over here, password must be 8 to 13 characters long. First capital, first is uppercase the alphabet, and all over the lower bit alphabets. You can also put out some special characters like @ has $sign, percentage sign, and many others. Now you can after fill out the password, you can choose the security question and security answer. Once you have forgot your answer, at that time the security question is the very important things, and enter the security pins and are already mentioned over here. After fill out all the registration form, then you can click on the submit buttons. So after click on the submission button, you can move on to the application form. At the application form, first you need to select the academics details according to your passing years and the school boards. Then you can choose the examination center. Due to the pandemic of the COVID-19, you need to understand what are the best city nearby you. So depending on your requirement, you can choose on the examination city. After you can choose on, you can move on to the review page. Just click on the submit button. You can move on to this kind of page, and you may have check out all the details. It might be correct. Then you can click on the final submission buttons. Then this is the important part, upload the images. Most of the people are having the problems related to the uploading the image. Once you can click out your image, depending on the guidelines of the portals, you can fix out the size of the image, and you can also upload the signature also. Then you can, after uploading the signature, you can click on the upload buttons. Then you can read out all the information, JPG formats, and 10 KB to 200 KBs are the criteria are fixing over here for the photographs, and in signature, the 4 KB to the 13 KBs signature size must be are the mention over here. After you can fill out all the details, you can move on to the fee payments method. As you can see on the screen, various methods are available for the fee payment, UPI, credit card, debit card, and many other situation. You can also pay the fee directly from your other bank accounts. You can download the confirmation page after you can fill out, or you can after you can pay out your fee. Then you can move on to the download the confirmation page. Most of the people are having the issues related to the download the confirmation page. So at that time, you can check out all the information. You can fill out correct document, and then you can download the confirmation page. In this way, this type of confirmation page, or you can download after you can fill out your form. So thank you very much for watching this video, and still if you not subscribe my channel, then press the subscribe button. Stay